Hello there. For this video I've decided to go back and do something which I've done in the past and had reasonable success with, just to enjoy my art. I'm going to do a swipe with a piece of paper towel, several colours. I have got black, turquoise, ultramarine blue, red, yellow deep and titanium white, and the only one that hasn't got anything added is the black. To the rest I have added the coconut milk serum, which of course has the dimethicone in it, so that should give me some decent cells. So now I'm just going to put my colours onto the canvas and then swipe through them. Well, that has come out really pretty. Very happy with it. Not quite sure about the black at the top there, so just giving it a bit of a torch. I won't worry too much, I think, about torching the rest of it. Just the black at the top to bring out those colours and those cells. But the rest, I don't think I'll torch it because I just love that zigzag pattern. No, I will torch it just a dot to see what happens. For example, here and here. See, I don't really want that right through it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to walk away for a little while and just let it develop and give it a few minutes to see how well those cells come through. is the finished picture. I'm sorry I was unable to do any dialogue while I was doing the picture, as the rain was so heavy, so torrential outside, that I found I was having to raise my voice too much to talk over it, so it was just easier to mute the sound and keep going with the picture. But I wanted to show it to you. I'm really pleased with the way it's come out now. This is a few days later and it's dried. And I had a wonderful time fiddling around with the chain, and since it's dried I have also started adding some glitter to the flowers, just to give them that little bit of extra sparkle. I haven't done a lot of them, and that, you know, so that's a work in progress, but overall I'm very happy with the way the picture has come out. And I'm going to be doing more experimenting with chain pulls. So once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.